I'm Blake,
I'm Adam.
and this is the Blake and Adam Show.
And we are glad that you, the nation, has tuned in for our episode.
We decided to take a little bit of a, what they call an artistic break.
Mm-hmm.
We needed to think about our careers, think about our families, think about, because the fame hit us real hard when we started up this show. So we've taken a bit to produce this episode, but I think we got something special.
Yeah, we
Something special right now.
So for a time off, we've been planning our new episode. So this is our most, I think our most best episode, if that makes sense.
The most best episode.
Yeah.
Because it does make sense, because we said it.
So you guys know that anything that we say makes sense.
So, Adam, people may have noticed that we're not in our dorm room.
We are not in our dorm room.
We are somewhere different today, and where are we right now?
Well, first off, we'll get you guys to tweet in, live tweet the guess of where we are. So it's to tweet in, and then we'll let you know if any of you guys are right. Because we'll just figure that out, and we'll see if we get any tweets in. In the meantime, Blake can tell us a story.
You know what? I got a lot of good stories, but just running a blank here right now. We're actually gonna throw out a couple hints of where we might be, and so the first hint is that it is a province in Canada that neither Adam and I are from, or that we go to school in. So that takes away 3 provinces. So if you know that about Adam and I, we're not in that province, and that narrows it down a bit. You got another hint of where we might be?
We are in a wait for it. Drum roll, Blake.
Drum roll.
A cold weather province. So shivering, And we've got some tweets in from knowing where we are. Well, the first person to tweet in, actually, no, we've got quite a few. The first person who's right is from Big Baller Dan 07.
Hello, thank you, Big Baller Dan 07, for tuning in.
Yep, and he says we are in Regina for the 1500 Boys Nationals.
And he is correct.
He is correct. So Dan is a winner. We'll be contacting you, Big Baller Dan 07.
Just send in your address, and we'll make sure to send out an official Blake and Adam gift prize, which I know
includes a hat,
a walkie-talkie,
a Blake and Adam cutlery,
zebra duct tape,
and last but not least, Blake,
double bubble. And people want these packages, and so we're excited to give them out.
Yeah, we've been getting tweets left, right, and center. So
I think it's time for one of our favorite segments. Do you know what? Do you see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Did you see what that was?
That was quick, but I saw it.
Yeah. There it is again.
There it is.
And I think we are ready for
Fist Pump.
Okay, so Adam, why don't you start us off? What do you got a fist pump?
Well, I got so you guys know we're here in fist pump to our 15U boys, Fraser Valley Volleyball Club. We're 3-0 after day 1 here at the Western Canada 15 under Open, Canadian Open. Those guys. Doing good. Doing well. Ready to.
Let's throw out a little bit of fist pump there.
Yeah.
So fist pump
Fist
to
pump
that.
for that.
Hey, good work. Something that doesn't seem big to people, but I mean, this was a fist pump moment. We got here and we look around, and we're growing boys, we're hungry, and we see right beside our hotel, Chinese buffet, Tim Hortons, McDonald's, Perkins, Taco Time, Chili's.
And last but not least,
fill in the blank. Tweet us.
So you guys know where we're driving, so you guys should know what hotel we're at.
By those hints. So tweet us and tell us what you think it is. So I I'm gonna give a big fist pump to the food being close.
The food being close.
That was great.
You guys will tweet at us what that last one is.
Yeah, and do we got anything else lined up for the show?
We have got a
just reading through a tweet here. We got a tweet from Samantha48, and she is saying, "Keep it rolling, boys. Loving the shows."
Oh, great!
So
fist pump to Samantha48.
So thank you, Samantha. Just you know, we're getting a lot of positive feedback from what we're doing, and you know what, it makes us want to keep going.
I got a fist pump in the meantime.
Yeah.
Fist bump to our security guards. You know, we arrived at the venue this morning, and we had guys running up to us, wanting pictures and stuff. We didn't feel threatened, but we felt safe by our security guards. And we just can't give they don't get enough respect.
Yeah, nice.
People are always thinking about us, but there's a lot of behind the scenes stuff. Like the people. The crew had to bring our studio out here to Regina, so we had to get all that stuff on the plane. Some guys actually had to take a bus out to get all the material we needed. So a big fist bump to them.
Yeah. So.
And we have got our last our tweet is in. It is in.
Oh.
So we've got one. Who has got the answer? And you know what? This is right. I didn't think anyone would get it, but they have gotten it.
Okay.
It is from Red Dragon 093.
Who actually seems to be from Regina.
Who is from
Regina.
From
reading their just reading their profile here, seems to be from Regina.
So Red Dragon 093 says, "Silly guys, it's the continental breakfast."
We threw a little curveball there, seeing if any of you got it, and good job to everybody tweeting in. So, anyways, we got to wrap this up.
Yep.
We want to thank you, the viewers, for tuning in.
The nation.
Thank you for tweeting. It was an enjoyable show. Thank you for all the encouragement we've been getting, and shout out to our 50 new boys for doing so well. And we know that they're gonna hate that they weren't able to be a part of this podcast. So maybe special guests sometime. But we'll see. So signing off.
And take care, everybody.
We'll see you later, nation.